Another day, another adventure. So today we're gonna go have a little lunch and explore the Chinatown area. So we saw that little juicy dumpling the other day, and I thought I'd give it a shot. Never had a dumpling, but I'm always game to try something new. So let's go, let's do it. All right, juicy dumpling, about that time. Let's go. Looking forward to this one, as always. Hello. Can I get the S1 and an order of the deep fried dough steak? And you got bottled water?
Bottled water, okay. What's up, man?
Jason?
Great.
Alright, so we got our juicy dumpling. Let's check it out. Oh. Oh, yes. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back with you. Steamed dumps. Let's do this. Pack, but it came with 6. I'm not complaining. Also got the little fried donuts because I'm Jason. Of course I did. So give one of those a little go. It's kind of like a breadstick. Very funnel cake-esque. I'm gonna dive into these dumplings. Enjoy my view of Chinatown here, and see y'all on the next leg. Juicy dumpling. And that was a juicy dumpling. Like they said, must try in Toronto. And I agree. We're gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna finish my fried bread here. Let's see what else Chinatown has to offer. All right, just left juicy dumpling and we're making our way into Chinatown now. You know I'm on the search for that chai tea. Uh-oh. Alternatives for chai. No. The chai. I want the chai. It's a tram I'm going to be taking a little later. 505 Dundas. We're going to walk down here and see this park. This one's for you, Heather. Tim Hortons. Here in Chinatown. Pretty cool place. Let's check it out. Hello, how are you? Good. Do you have iced chai tea? All right, I don't even know what a Tim Hortons is, but finally, iced chai. Not sure what the whipped cream's all about, but okay. And then 'tis the season to have pumpkin. You know I'm ready for the Halloween time, so got this little pumpkin spice donut. Looks like it has some pistachios on top. Having a little trouble with the box there, but it's just how it works sometimes. So there you go, Heather. Tim Hortons in Canada. And who would have thought? It'd be right here in the middle of Chinatown. Amazing. Crossing over. It's that little Chinatown park I was talking about. A few different little sculptures, things. It's pretty cool. No more dumplings. No more dumplings. They were good. Don't get me wrong. This park looked a lot more spectacular last night at night. I guess that was it. It's a little park here in Chinatown. You can sit here, catch a little vape, and see where the next wind takes us. And that wind is picking up now. Oh, Canada. Let's dump off into this alley randomly. Why not? So, even here in Chinatown, you got the amazing graffiti. Hello, how you doing? Welcome to the vlog, sir. So we got a guy there. Love organic interactions. Thank you, Chinatown. We'll walk down here. This could be Chinatown's own graffiti alley. Don't know. And once again, thank you, Heather, for the Tim Hortons suggestion. And thank you, Tim Hortons, for finally supplying that chai fix. Oh yeah, we're off the beaten path. Black pigeons. I've also come to find in Toronto that they have black squirrels. Kind of freaked me out the first time I saw it. I was like, God, that must be rare, but apparently they're all black. So this is just off Dundas, right behind the main set of businesses. Man, I don't know. Is this turning into a graffiti page? I don't know. I mean, spending all this time in these urban cities, it's just a foregone conclusion I'm going to run into these things, and they just captivate me so. All right. And that is a typical alley here in Chinatown. CN Tower, even visible from Chinatown. I think we're going to take a little trip there tomorrow. Check it out. Love you, Toronto. Coming in here, they had some nice bags out front. Ooh. Yeah, think this will do. Nice. Ended up picking up that bag. That was just too nice to leave behind. Would have liked to have got a second one, but don't know if I have the space in the luggage for it. Trying out that new Nomadic 40-liter backpack for my big trip here in a couple of months, and it's a tight squeeze, or I'm gonna have to learn how to pack a little lighter. I'm so vain. It's the Shaolin Temple Institute. That is cool. Not sure what this building is up here. Let's check it out. And over here, this is the Art Gallery of Ontario. Heather suggested I go, but such a limited schedule, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to fit that one in or not. Oh, you know I dig the ivy. Whew. That is a nice one. Are we going to Hogwarts? Or are we in Chinatown? Hold on a second. Feels like Hogwarts to me. Sweet. Sometimes you can't escape it. You're a fan, you're the fan. So it's a really nice store.
It's not like I could just stop it in altercation, I guess. And so as it opened,
And grab some pins. Wow, who would have thought it? Got some really cool stuff in there. Just walking through Chinatown, you never know what you're gonna see. It's like going into Hogwarts in there. Very, very cool. In case you can't find it, it's over here next to the art gallery. It's a little hidden, but you'll see the Gryffindors. That was cool. Just got the Bank of China over here. Don't know how I missed that the first go around. Oh, just so many places. Couldn't show you what I got out of the Harry Potter store. It's got to be a surprise for my re-entry into the United States. But I'll share it with y'all in the future. Oh, Heather, can we have a house covered in ivy, please? I love you. Chinatown, nighttime. So when the sun goes down, the neon goes up. Cool. So a little shot of that park at night. Love that neon. Bring it on. Alright, I think that's where we're going to close this one out. It's fun showing you around Chinatown. There's a bunch of other places I'm going to come check out in my remaining 2 days here in Canada. And I mean, just an amazing, amazing place. And I like to visit every Chinatown in every city that I go to. So, until the next one, y'all, take it easy and go Jays.